Good morning, everyone. I hope you people are good. Let's start today's topic. Your topic is graphs. We will do pages number 57, 58, and 59 of your learner's book. Take out your learner's book. Now, your learning objectives are students will be able to see that there are different ways that they can organize and present their data. What are graphs? Graphs are drawings that show mathematical information with lines, shapes, and colors. Graphs are also known as charts. People use graphs to compare amount of things or other numbers. Graphs are useful because they can be easier to understand than numbers and words alone. Now let's see what are the pictogram graphs. Remember, in pictogram graphs, we use the pictures. Now, look at on this one slide, there is a student survey about fruit eaten. Now, one side we have written name of the fruits, and the other side we have written numbers of students. How many students like these fruits we have written in this one side. Now, which fruits are there? Mangoes, apples, bananas, and oranges. Look at this one key. Can you see over here? Yes. Now, one mango equal 2 students. This is a key. One apple equal 2 students. One banana equal 2 students. One orange equal 2 students. We make this one key. Now use these one keys and we will make the pictogram graph. Remember, in pictogram graph we use always the pictures. Now let's see how many people like mangoes. Look at here. Yes, how many students like mangoes? There are how many mangoes? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 mangoes, but look at this one key. 1 mango represents 2 students. So 2 times 3 is 6. So how many students like the mangoes? 6. Let me take out my pen now. Now 1, 2, 3 mangoes. 3 times 2 is, or a 2 times 3 is 6. So how many students like mangoes? 6 students. Now what is next one fruit? That is apples. Now count the apples with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 apples, but 1 apple represents 2 students. So 2 times 10 is 20. So how many students like the apples? 20 students. Very good. Now let's count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bananas. So 1 banana represents 2 students. So 2 times 8 is, yes, 16. So how many students like bananas? 16 students like bananas. Now the last one fruit is oranges. Count the number of oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 orange represents 2 students. So 2 times 5 is 10. So how many students like oranges? 10 students. Now repeat one time more. How many students like mangoes? Yes. Let me change the color of my pen. Good. Now, how many students like mangoes? 6 students like mangoes. How many students like apples? 20. Yes. How many students like bananas? 16 students like bananas. How many students like oranges? 10. This is how we will make the pictogram graph. Is this clear now? Now let's move to the next one slide. Yes, look at this one slide. We have favorite subjects. Now for the favorite subject, votes are given. And here is the key. One pencil represents one vote. So subjects are maths, reading, social study. Now let's see which subject got the more votes. Okay, now let me change my color again. Yes. First subject is maths. Now count how many pencils are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One pencil represents one vote. So how many votes a math got? 8 votes. So 8 students like maths. Now move to the next one. Reading. Next is reading. Next subject is reading. Now count how many pencils are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pencil means 6 students like reading. Now move to the next one subject. That is social studies. Social studies. Now count how many pencils are there. 1, 2, 3. So how many students like social study? 3. According to this one graph, which subject is the winner? Very good. You are right. Math is the winner because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pencils are in maths. 6 pencils in reading. 8 pencils mean 8 students like maths. 6 students like reading and 3 students like social study. So winner is maths. Very good. This is how we will make the pictogram graph. Now move to the next one slide now. Yes, favorite fruits. Now here are the votes for the favorite fruits. What are the fruits? Apple, pear, grapes and bananas. Now here is the key. One smiley is equal to one vote. Now see which fruit is the winner now. Count with me now. Yes, I have taken the blue pen. Now count how many people like apples. Now count the smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many smileys are there? 10. So this means 10 people like apples. Now let's count how many people like pear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 smileys. So 7 people like the pear. Okay, now count how many smileys are there for the grapes. 1 and 2. Only 2 people like grapes. Okay. Now let's count the vote for banana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many people like bananas? 6. So which fruit is the winner? 10, 7, 2 or a 6. Apple, pear, grapes or bananas. Which one is the winner one? Very good. Apple is the winner one. Because 10 people like apples. Is this clear now? This is how we will make the pictogram graph. Now move to the next one slide now. Yes. Now on this one slide, see block graphs. Let's see what we have to do on the block graph. Here we make in the block graph, we make the blocks. Here are the colors and here are the vehicles: car, bike, lorry, bus and motorbike. See how many people use car. Here are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here are the name of the vehicles which people are using. Now how many people use car? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many people use by car? 5 people. Very good. Now count how many people use bike. 1, 2, 3. How many people use bike? 3 people. Now let's count the blue one. How many people use lorry? 1, 2. 2 people use lorry. Now count the next one color. How many people use bus? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people use bus. Now see, what is the last one? Motorbike. How many people use motorbike? 1 and 2. So, which vehicle we use most? Yes, we use the car because 5 people use the car, 3 people use bike, 2 people use lorry, 4 people use bus and 2 people use motorbike. Okay, this is the block graph. In the block graph, we use the blocks. Now move to the next one slide. Yes, look at this. There are the colors and this is also the block graph. Now look at up one. There are colors, different colors: blue, orange, green, black, red and yellow. Now let's see how to make this one graph. Okay, count how many blue circles are there. First count the circle. 1, 2. 2 circles are blue. So color the 2 block. Fine. Now orange. Let's see how many orange circles are there. There is only 1 circle. So you will color the only 1 block. Now count how many circles are green. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many green circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will color the 4 block in green color. Now count which one is the next one color? That is black. Now count the black circles. 1, 2, 3. Now you will just color 1, 2, 3 block. Next color is red. Now count the red circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, how many red circles are there? 5. So color the 5 block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You color 5 blocks in red. Now let's see which one is the last one color. That is yellow. How many yellow circles are there? Only 1. So you will color 1 block yellow. Fine. This is how you will make your block graph. Let me erase my rough work now. Okay, take out your learner's book. Page number 57. First page is 57. Open the page number 57. Take out your pencils. First of all, we will put the date and day at the top of your page. Please take out your scale also. Yes, first you will write it down day, that is Monday. Write down the spelling of Monday with very neat writing. In the middle of your page, write it down the spelling of classwork. Now at the end, top of your right side, you will put your date, that is 29th March 2021. 20 and 21. This is how you will put the year. 2021. Monday, classwork, 29th March 2021. This is the date. Monday, then underline it, then write down the classwork, underline it, then put the date, that is 29th March 2021. Now see what we have on page number 57. Yes, you can see on page number 57, on this one table, we have different objects. We are going to sort out the things. The rule is, first of all, from the table, sort out all the toys. Car, beer, elephant, ball. These are the 4 things which are the toys. So, the rules are, sort out the toys and household things like book, pencil, cup, bowl, table lamp. We have all these things using at home. So, first rule is sort out the toys. The second rule is sort out the household things, the things which we use mostly at home on our reading table. Fine. Now we have sort out the things in 2 groups. Fine. Okay, now move to the next one slide now. I have erased my rougher. Ice cream pictogram graph. Here we will make the pictogram graph. See, look at this one page. On page number 58, how many people like each flavor of ice cream? We have the ice cream on this one page. We will write it down, the questions, the answer of these one question which are given at the end. How many people like chocolate ice cream? How many people like vanilla ice cream? How many people like strawberry ice cream? How many people like mint ice cream? At the end, we will make our favorite ice cream also. First of all, can you see over here? Here are the 2 graphs, pictogram graph. First, let's explain these 2 graphs and then at the end, we will solve these one questions. Fine? See? Yes. First, solve this one part. Now look at here. Here is the pictogram graph. Here are the weathers. Okay. Now let me take my pen. Yes. How many days we have sunny days? See? Count sun. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days are the sunny days. Okay. Now how many days are the rainy days? 1, 2, 3. How many days we have the rainy days? 3 days. How many days we have partly cloudy? 1 and 2 days. 2 days we have partly cloudy. Now how many days we have the cloudy days? 3 days we have the cloudy days. This is how you will make the pictogram graph about the weather. Now can you see over here at the end there is a one more graph. Here are the fruits. Apple, banana, grapes and orange. Let's see how many people like apple. Let me take out my one more color. Yes. See, apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many people like apples? 6 people like apples. How many people like bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 people like bananas. How many people like grapes? 1, 2, 3. How many people like grapes? 3 people. Okay, how many people like oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people like the oranges. Now, which one is the winner one? Fruit. Again, apple. Yes, apple is the winner one. Good. Now, move to the next one part now. Okay, again we will go back over this one page number 58. Yes, on this one page you will just put the classwork in the middle of your page. Okay, now let's read these one questions and let's solve with me. Okay, yes. Now your first question is, this one is the first one question. How many people like chocolate ice cream? Here are the flavor chocolate. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people like chocolate ice cream. Very good. Now, how many people like the vanilla flavor? Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people like the vanilla ice cream. Very good. Now let's see how many people like strawberry flavor. 1 and 2. Only 2 people like the strawberry flavor. Now, how many people like the mint flavor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people like the mint. Okay, draw the ice cream you like best. I like the chocolate. So I will draw over here. Which one ice cream? Chocolate. Yes, I will draw the chocolate over here. Fine. Okay, let me erase my rougher and see the final look of your page. Yes, see, this is the page number 58. Now here I have drawn the ice cream also. I have written the answer of these questions also. Let's explain it again. Yes, chocolate ice cream, how many people like? 5. Vanilla flavor, how many people like? 4. Strawberry flavor, how many people like? 2. Mint ice cream, how many people like? 5. And I like the chocolate most, so I have drawn over here the chocolate ice cream. So you can make your own flavor, whatever flavor you like vanilla, strawberry, mint, it's up to you. I like the chocolate, that's why I draw a chocolate, and I have written the spelling of chocolate as well. This is how you will solve your page number 58 of your learner's book. Is this clear? Let me erase my rough work. Now, this is the last one page, that is page number 59. See what we have on page number 59. We have the block graph, and here are favorite mealtime block graph. So favorite meal times are breakfast, lunch, dinner. Now solve this one page with me now. How many people like breakfast? Yes. Count the red blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many people like breakfast? 4 people like the breakfast. How many people like lunch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 people like lunch. How many people like dinner? 1 and 2 people. 2 people like dinner. So this is how you will write it down. The breakfast, 4 people like. Lunch, 6 people like. And dinner, 2 people like. This is how you will solve your page number 59 of your learner's book. Let me erase my rough work. Yes, this is the final look of your page. You will just put the classwork in the middle of your page and you will solve this one page like this. Here are the answers. See, breakfast, 4 people like. Lunch, 6 people like. Dinner, 2 people like. You will write it down with neat writing the answers. This is how you will solve your page number 59. So today how many types of graphs we have done? 2 types. One are pictogram graph and one is the block graph. In pictogram graph, we make the graph with the help of the pictures, and in the block graph, we make the graph with the help of blocks. That is it for today. Now let me erase my rough work. Now thank you. Goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe.